wanted to grow my own farm, my own garden where there are all sorts of fruits and vegetables. That's my dream. Oh, this is very thin. I shouldn't have cut it. Sorry, bro. Now the actual question is, I don't know if you'll have to remove it like this from their roots or cut them like this, So I've harvested some like that, and this sand is so good. Oh my god, the soil I need. That's for us to research, and let's do that, and maybe then remove the rest of it. Until then, here's my harvest. I'm invited to an event. Does it feel like my blush is a lot? It's not going here. So I'm invited to judge a fashion show. So I'm going there already. I don't like how I look, but anyways. I'm waiting for my friend to come pick me up. Because he's got no bike. Also guys, how's my new lip shade? Nice, no? Something different. It's a little light for my color, like for my skin tone, but it's okay. It's a gift. So, and the only person to give this is my sister, of course. So yeah. Video limit. I'm being socially awkward. मैं हर जगह बैठूंगी ब्रो, तू हर जगह वीडियो नहीं ले सकती है. Hi guys, sorry I'm out of breath, but I'm starting my coaching for badminton, first time ever. So because I don't have my two-wheeler right now, I have to go walking. Now it's raining. I'm scared I'll be late the first day itself. I was contemplating actually whether to go or not, because my head is spinning like crazy and I'm not feeling great. But I thought I should fight anyways. So here I am. Usually you see I wouldn't record this, but it's a random day on a random time in a random place doing a random chore. So I felt like the wind was blowing, it was all airy. What am I doing? Felt something like that, and I suddenly thought about having acres of land, okay, acres of land, grassland, and then like उसके बीच में एक hut है, and I am drying my clothes. So I was like, that feeling is similar, like the air. And so sometimes I think you don't have to be there to feel that. Your imagination also can help you feel things. Of course it cannot be exactly the same, but still it feels nice, you know. It's sunny out there, but not too sunny, but still there's some humidity and yeah, the slight air blowing. See, you can see my sleeves. Yeah, sleeves moving. See. Wow, it feels nice out there. And then there are some buffaloes and cows, and yeah, nature is interesting, ain't it? Do sightseeing with me. But sorry, the sight is now it's clear.
ಒಬ್ಬ ನಾವು ನಂಬುವಂತ ಪನ್ನೀರು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದ್ದ ಮೂಲ ಹೆಸರು
I don't claim myself as an artist, but I have this ritual kind of thing that my mom has encouraged me to do since my school days, of painting diyas every Deepavali. Last year I could not do because I was not there, but yeah, this year we're back and then we're doing some painting. Let's see how it goes. I'm not sure, but yeah, thank you for listening. Bye bye. शुरू हो गया है मेरा दीपावली का तैयारी. है ना माँ?